Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I feel cheerful today. She is very happy. We are smiling now. The sun makes me cheerful. He feels good this morning. They are laughing together. I am in a good mood. She has a big smile. We feel wonderful today. The weather is beautiful. He is cheerful every day. My friends make me happy. I love sunny mornings. She feels cheerful at work. We enjoy this happy moment. The children are very cheerful. I feel great right now. He is smiling at me. We have a cheerful family. She wakes up feeling happy. Are you feeling cheerful today? I smile when I see flowers. He feels cheerful on Fridays. We love cheerful music. The baby is laughing. I feel cheerful with my friends. She is always so positive. We are having a good time. He is very cheerful this morning. They feel happy at the party. I am cheerful when I dance. She listens to happy songs. We feel cheerful in the park. He has many cheerful moments. I do not feel sad today. The music makes me cheerful. She is cheerful after breakfast. We see cheerful people everywhere. He reads books that make him happy. I feel cheerful in the garden. They are cheerful about the news. She drinks coffee and feels good. We are cheerful on vacation. He plays with his cheerful dog. I wake up feeling very cheerful. The warm sun makes everyone happy. She is cheerful when she cooks. We talk and laugh together. He feels cheerful after exercising. I love this cheerful feeling. She always has a cheerful attitude. We feel cheerful when we help others. He is cheerful because it is Saturday. The children are cheerful at the playground. I feel cheerful when I eat chocolate. She is cheerful during the spring season. We make each other feel cheerful. He is cheerful when he sees his family. They are cheerful about their new house. I am cheerful because I have good friends. She feels cheerful when she wears bright colors. We are cheerful when we go shopping together. He is cheerful after watching a funny movie. I feel cheerful when I listen to birds singing. The flowers in the garden make me cheerful. She is cheerful when she talks to her mother. We feel cheerful at birthday parties. He is cheerful because he got a promotion. They are cheerful when they play games. I am cheerful when I drink my morning tea. Are you cheerful when you meet new people? She is cheerful when she receives good messages. We feel cheerful when we take walks outside. He is cheerful because he loves his job. I am not cheerful when it rains heavily. The cheerful atmosphere makes everyone feel good. She is cheerful when she spends time with children. We are cheerful because we have a day off. He feels cheerful when he completes his work. I am cheerful when I see beautiful sunsets. They are cheerful because the weather is perfect. She will feel cheerful after the meeting. We are going to have a cheerful celebration. He was cheerful yesterday at the picnic. I will be cheerful when I see you. She is cheerful because she finished her project early. We were very cheerful during our last vacation. He is going to feel cheerful at the concert. They were cheerful when they heard the good news. I am cheerful because I am learning new things. She feels cheerful when she helps her neighbors. We are cheerful when we eat dinner together. He is cheerful because his team won the game. I feel cheerful when I wear my favorite clothes. They are cheerful when they visit the beach. She was cheerful when she received the gift. We will be cheerful at the wedding tomorrow. He is cheerful when he plays his guitar. I am cheerful because today is a special day. She is cheerful when she sees her best friend. We feel cheerful when we share good food with others. He is always cheerful when he wakes up early. I am cheerful because I finished all my homework today. They are cheerful when they spend time in nature. She feels cheerful when she reads her favorite book. We are cheerful because we are going on a trip. He was cheerful when he met his old friends yesterday. I will be cheerful when I get my test results. She is cheerful because she bought a new dress. We are cheerful when we watch the sunset together. He feels cheerful when he helps people in need. I am cheerful because my family is healthy and happy. They are cheerful when they celebrate special occasions together. She is going to feel cheerful after her yoga class. We were cheerful when we saw the beautiful rainbow. He is cheerful because he is learning to play piano. I feel cheerful when I spend time with my pets. She is cheerful when she walks in the fresh air. We are cheerful because we have many reasons to smile. He was cheerful when he received a letter from home. Are you going to be cheerful at the party tonight? I am cheerful when I think about my happy memories. She feels cheerful when she does her favorite hobby. We are cheerful because we support and love each other. He is cheerful when he sees children playing happily. I will be cheerful when I finish this difficult task. They are cheerful because they are starting a new project. She was cheerful when she heard her favorite song playing. We feel cheerful when we give gifts to our friends. He is cheerful because he is going home to visit. I am not cheerful when I have too much work. She is cheerful when she decorates her room beautifully. We are cheerful because we believe good things will happen. He feels cheerful when he exercises in the morning. I am cheerful when I see people smiling around me. They were cheerful when they finished their difficult exam. She is going to be cheerful at her graduation ceremony. We are cheerful because we are together with our family. He is cheerful when he cooks his favorite meal. I feel cheerful when I achieve my small daily goals. She is cheerful because she has a positive attitude. We are cheerful when we remember all our wonderful blessings. He was cheerful when he saw the snow falling outside. I will be cheerful when I meet my friends tomorrow. They are cheerful because they are planning a fun weekend. She feels cheerful when she organizes her home nicely. We are cheerful when we laugh at funny jokes together. He is cheerful because he solved a difficult problem successfully. I am cheerful when I wake up to birds singing. She is cheerful when she plants flowers in her garden. We feel cheerful when we enjoy peaceful moments together. He is going to be cheerful when he starts vacation. I was cheerful when I received a surprise gift yesterday. They are cheerful because they finished painting their house today. And she is cheerful when she shares stories with her friends. We are cheerful because we are grateful for everything. He feels cheerful when he runs in the park early. I am cheerful when I see my children playing happily. She was cheerful when she discovered a new coffee shop. We will be cheerful when we celebrate our success together. He is cheerful because he is making progress every day. I feel cheerful when I do kind things for others. They are cheerful when they work together as a team. She is cheerful because she is surrounded by loving people. We are cheerful when we create beautiful memories with family. He was cheerful when he won a small prize yesterday. I am going to be cheerful at the music festival. She feels cheerful when she practices gratitude every morning. We are cheerful because we choose to see the positive. He is cheerful when he shares his success with others. I am cheerful when I relax and enjoy my free time. They were cheerful when they completed their community service project. She is cheerful because she has wonderful plans for the weekend. We feel cheerful when we support each other during hard times. He is going to be cheerful when he sees his results. I was cheerful when I learned something new and interesting yesterday. She is cheerful when she takes photographs of beautiful things. We are cheerful because we know tomorrow will be better. He feels cheerful when he talks with his cheerful grandmother. I am cheerful when I appreciate the small things in life. They are cheerful because they are healthy and have good energy. She was cheerful when she made a delicious cake successfully. We will be cheerful when we reach our goals together. He is cheerful because he trusts that everything will work out. I feel cheerful when I start my day with positive thoughts. She is cheerful when she organizes fun activities for her family. We are cheerful because we have love and happiness around us. He was cheerful when he helped his neighbor fix something yesterday. I am going to be cheerful when I travel to new places. They feel cheerful when they celebrate their achievements together. She is cheerful because she maintains a healthy and balanced lifestyle. We are cheerful when we dance and sing our favorite songs. He is cheerful when he spends quality time with his loved ones. I was cheerful when I watched a beautiful sunrise this morning. She feels cheerful when she knows she made someone else happy. We are cheerful because we choose happiness every single day. He is going to be cheerful when he starts his new hobby. I am cheerful when I focus on all the good in my life. They are cheerful because they have each other for support always. She is cheerful, and she spreads joy to everyone she meets. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.